Welcome to We Talk DevOps, brought to you by IT Outposts. We will explore how companies can succeed in the digital era by implementing DevOps, without complex jargon, to give you a clear and accessible understanding of these processes. I'm Alex, your host, and my voice is powered by 11 Labs. Recent months have shown us that integrating LLMs into real-world settings can be more complex than many expected. So we're here to discuss companies' main challenges when picking and deploying these models. The first big challenge is picking the right model. Organizations have multiple choices, from OpenAI and Anthropic to Mistral. Plus, there's another option, creating custom models that are trained on their own data. Each model works a bit differently. Some are better at processing code, others at analyzing documents, and their resource requirements vary significantly. Integrating the right one means defining your needs and knowing the tech limits of each model. Making deployment decisions can also be tricky. When companies use public APIs, they have to think about data privacy concerns, how reliable the service is, and what the long-term expenses will be. Going for self-hosting gives more control, but it also requires a lot of technical expertise and investment in infrastructure. Plus, when thinking about costs, you shouldn't just focus on the initial setup expenses, but also consider factors like request volume, response time requirements, and computational resources. The challenge lies in finding the right balance between performance and operational costs. And when it comes to security, there can also be some concerns. No matter if you're using cloud APIs or setting up everything in-house, you need to have strong data protection measures in place. These requirements can significantly impact deployment architecture and timelines. Finally, LLM tech is growing fast, which only adds complexity. There are new models constantly emerging, usually with better features. Because of this, you need to create systems that are flexible enough to keep up with new models and shifting needs. Understanding these challenges has taught us the importance of careful planning and systematic implementation. To succeed, you need to know what you need, start with controlled rollouts, and create a solid foundation that can scale right from the start. What has been your experience with LLM deployment? That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. I was glad to share the latest news and ideas about DevOps with you. If you want to learn more about how to enhance DevOps practices in your business, be sure to check out the additional information in the description of this episode. Add We Talk DevOps to your favorites to not miss our future releases. And remember, every little automation brings us closer to greater achievements. This is Alex, and you've been listening to We Talk DevOps. See you soon.